close-up of a neglected, rusty 1970s motorcycle sitting in a dim corner covered in thick dust and cobwebs. A gloved hand uses a metal brush to scrape thick layers of rust off the vintage steel frame. Using a socket wrench to slowly unscrew a seized, gritty bolt from the engine block. A gloved hand uses a metal brush to scrape thick layers of rust off the vintage steel frame. Sandblasting the fuel tank back to raw, silver metal in a controlled blast cabinet. Hand sanding the metal tank with fine grit sandpaper and water, showing rhythmic motion. Polishing a dull chrome exhaust pipe with a rotary buffer until it reflects like a mirror. Spraying a deep metallic candy red paint onto the frame in a professional spray booth. Applying a thick, glossy, clear coat that makes the red paint look like wet glass. Cleaning small carburetor brass jets in an ultrasonic cleaner with vibrating water ripples. Using a torque wrench to tighten head bolts on the rebuilt engine with precise clicks. Lacing new stainless steel spokes into a freshly powder-coated black wheel rim. Stretching new black leather over the seat foam and securing it with a pneumatic stapler. Pouring golden, viscous new engine oil into the filler hole.